Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an active YouTube Premium Family Plan under one Google account. Next, open Families. Google.com and sign in as the family manager. This is essential because only the manager can invite members. Once done, gather the Google emails of people you want to add and make sure they live at the same household address per policy. You should also check if any invitees already belong to another family group, because that will block invitations until they leave their current family. Now create the family group inside Google Families and send invitations to each email you collected. This triggers invite messages to their Google accounts. Once invited, each person must open the invite on their device, sign into the same Google account you invited, and accept the family invitation. That step links their account to the premium benefits. If someone can't accept, make sure they aren't part of another family and that they use the exact email you invited, because mismatched accounts will prevent joining. Finish by confirming every invited member appears as active in the family group and that their YouTube shows premium features. If benefits don't appear immediately, advise members to restart the YouTube app, clear app cache, or sign out and back into their Google account. That forces sync. If a problem persists, check for account conflicts. Someone may still belong to another family, or Google's age and household rules might block sharing. As a quick tip, remove and resend an invite after resolving account conflicts to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.